equals does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your home, carry out a free diagnosis and send you a quote before carrying out any repairs. No phone calls, no travel required. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. The power plate issue in your Thermomix TM5 can lead to inconsistent heating and cooking performance. This problem often arises from wear and tear or electrical faults, and if left unaddressed, it can result in further damage to the device. To fix this, you will need a screwdriver set, a replacement power plate, and a pair of tweezers. First, ensure the device is unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. Carefully use a screwdriver to remove the screws on the base of the Thermomix TM5. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base to expose the internal components. Locate the power plate, which is typically situated near the heating element. You may need to disconnect a few cables to access it fully. Take your time to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once you have located the failing power plate, carefully detach it by unscrewing it from its position. Replace it with a new power plate, ensuring it is securely fastened. Reconnect any cables you had previously disconnected, making sure they are firmly in place. As you reassemble the device, double-check that all screws are tightened and that no tools are left inside. If at this point it feels too complex, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your home and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that you regularly clean the power plate and avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. If you don't want to risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect it, repair it and deliver it back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. Home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair, and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.